How to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube app. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off automatic dubbing on YouTube videos using the YouTube app, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or Samsung. If you've been annoyed by auto-dubbed voices, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Find a video that has auto-dubbing enabled. Not every video uses it, so you might have to check a couple. Once you're on the video, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the menu. In the top right corner, tap the little gear icon, the Settings button. Look for an option called Audio Track. Now, if you don't see that option, it means the video doesn't support multiple audio tracks. Just try another video until you find one that does. Once you see the audio track list, you'll notice different dubbed languages. To turn off auto-dubbing, select the one labeled Original. For example, English. That switches the video back to its original language and stops the dubbing for that video. And that's it. While there's no global setting to disable auto-dubbing everywhere, this is the best way to turn it off on individual videos. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.